Everybody checking on the trail cams. Yeah, it's the nighttime. I normally won't do this at night, but here we are, right? All I got is my little flashlight and the batteries are getting weak in it. So let's go check. Oh boy. Anybody over here? If you see something, say something. The tree has gone to sleep for the season. I'm trying to hold this light as steady as I can. Camera 2. It's still there. Man, the camera can see better than I can. All right, we know the drill. Please don't fall over. And I forgot the memory card. Gonna make a second trip. How's my battery looking? Battery's still good. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool, huh? Yeah. Can you see that? No, you can't. It's shooting out infrared. What am I looking at? Okay, yeah, it is coming from. Wow, that's cool. Okay. Two trips. Yeah, I gotta make 2 trips. So here we go. They have still got Christmas lights up. That's fine. I don't care. Since we're back here, well, that's interesting. Where did you come from? You came from up there. Okay. Now this time I'm going to leave the camera outside while I run in and get the other memory card. Alrighty then. Also, got memory card and got new batteries. Figured, wow, oh yeah, man, I was really hurting for batteries. I didn't realize. Get used to it. That branch broken is what I was looking at before. Heard something. Ah, robot. Yeah, that's mine. Okay. Man, that light makes a big difference. Oh, God. Okay. Now, man, I can see so much better. All right. Please don't fall. Wow. Okay. Alrighty then. It's in there. Let's see now. I'm waiting for the infrared to turn on. The camera will see it. There it is. Hey. Hi. Okay. All right. Now let's go look at some videos. You know I'm looking for ghosts, right? Man, I need to get that robot out. Same with Clanker. He's sitting right next to him. Yeah. Oh, God, my gosh. All right. Man, it is cold. It's getting colder. It's like 30 degrees right now. All right. And I got that one up here sitting on the rail because somebody messed with my car the other day. Thanks, out of here. Bye-bye.